finally hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing, sharing.
It's going to be sharing.
Thanks for the support, thanks for the love. And in today's video, we'll be making pineapple
shrimp
fried rice.
fried rice.
Shrimp fried rice. You want shrimp fried rice? We're gonna make shrimp fried rice.
Yes.
So today we're gonna make shrimp fried rice. Stay tuned. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna season our shrimp, and this is about a pound of shrimp. First we're gonna use a pinch of salt. First we're gonna use a pinch of salt. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, ground pepper.
I'm not getting.
Some garlic powder. Oh my god. That's okay. I love garlic powder anyways. And some Old Bay seasoning. You're gonna use this. Pick up some of this. Half tablespoon. Okay. No more.
Okay. Mommy.
And some Jamaican dry jerk seasoning.
Mommy, our shrimp gonna look so beautiful.
Okay, one of that only. And that's it.
Okay, that's it, Mommy.
Then we're gonna add some soy sauce.
Oh, I don't want to do. Yeah. Anyways, I like it.
Now we're gonna massage that in. See? And we're gonna let this marinate for like 20 minutes. 15-20 minutes. Now I'm gonna put half tablespoon of oil into the pot. My egg. Now I'm gonna scramble that. And then we're gonna set it aside. Now we're gonna add the shrimp. What we're gonna need for the rice is some mixed vegetable, green onion or scallion, whatever you call it. Some pineapple, freshly diced. You can use the one in the can, but I get the natural pineapple. Bell pepper, some onion, and an egg. You can use 2 eggs if you want, but I don't really like eggs. But I like it in the fried rice, but you can use 2 eggs.
Well, I like the pineapple.
Yes, so these are the ingredients. I'm gonna add green onion. Put the peppers now. The onions. Yeah.
Okay. It's gonna be good. And it's gonna smell good.
Now the pineapple. And then not that one yet. Then we're gonna give this a good stir.
It's gonna get good. It's gonna get good. To me. Oopsie. Okay.
Okay. We're making it saute for about 5 minutes.
Yep. Listen, Mommy, this is so good. And my tiny. Hey, everything.
Smell like shrimp fried rice.
Yeah. Buddy, we didn't add rice yet.
We're gonna add the rice soon after we saute all of this.
Okay.
The flavors.
But
The
it's
shrimp burst with flavors with all that pineapple, that onion,
it's so hot. But it's very warm. But it's so hot.
and some garlic.
Mm.
I'm gonna add our frozen mixed vegetables.
We're gonna add all of it. I've got
Now we're gonna add the rice. You can use parboiled rice, but we bought some rice from yesterday and put it to freeze, and then we're gonna add it. It's best if you use frozen rice, because when I use rice I just cook, it has a mushy and just too sour. Now I'm gonna have the chili tasting. So Moya, now add the rice. Come on Moya, add the rice.
with my fingers.
No, just pour it and put it in the pot.
And just use this.
Like this.
Oh. Whoa! That was easy.
And this is half corn of rice.
Mommy, yeah, I just make our channel.
I was making channel too. Add the butter. Now you're gonna mix it.
Mommy,
I'm gonna add about half
I think I'm
tablespoon more of soya sauce.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna stir it.
Okay, I'm gonna wait.
Add a pinch more garlic powder. This is the finished product, guys. Chili and a little spicy. We got some heat, but that's good heat for us. Oh, look at it, Moya. Smells good.
Yeah? It's very
Colorful.
Yeah. It's so good. It's so good, Mommy. And it's very colorful. See, it's colorful. See, it's colorful. You have the color green, purple, pink.
So there you have it, guys. Our shrimp fried rice. I hope you enjoy watching this video. This is our shrimp pineapple fried rice. Look at it. gonna do a taste test. Now we're gonna taste it for you guys. I'm gonna do a mini mukbang.
Oopsie. Sorry.
It's nice.
Yummy. It's yummy.
That pineapple just give it an exotic tropical taste like that Hawaii. My God.
Mommy, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some water for me.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Tastes really good. And the rice not soft. Just perfect. No lie. The pineapple get a buzz.
Mommy, I'm just gonna get water.
Okay.
I'm just gonna get water, Mommy.
Okay. There's a shrimp.
Okay. Mom, I'm just gonna get a shrimp. I'm just gonna get water. Delicious.
Spicy and nice.
Spicy and nice. Mommy? Spicy and nice.
Spicy and nice, man. Yeah, man.
Cause I got spicy. I got spicy.
No joke though. It tastes really good.
Yeah, it's good.
I wish we could have come and taste it.
I'm so eating this, guys.
It's a fun taste.
Mommy, the guys on the phone, I already told you.
Every time we eat one of them pineapple chunks,
Because I don't know what.
Jesus Christ.
Maybe I say Jesus Christ.
That tastes good, man.
Okay.
That's good. Please try this. If you don't do the exact way.
Okay, I want to eat more rice because I got this.
Not even the egg. Yeah. You know the egg would get the aftertaste. You don't taste the egg. You don't taste no rawness to it. Just good, really good.
Really good.
With a little bit of heat. Just the way I like it. Can go on Maya, right?
Yeah. It is very good. It is very good.
Shrimp fried rice?
Very right. Mom, why are you saying German rice all the time?
That's all the Chinese. It's a Chinese food dish, something like that. It's a Chinese cuisine.
Oh,
So,
that's the same.
and the Chinese talk Chinese language.
You can me
So they always say shrimp fried rice.
Mommy, you can me found. I found this.
I can't. Okay. Bye guys.
Bye guys.
See you in the next
See
video.
you next in the video.